Gabo Cabalen. Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga. It's another afternoon filled with good food, filled with good vibes, and hopefully you're also feeling that as well. For today's vlog, we would like to thank The Fine Grill for sending us these food trays. You will recognize them because we always eat them kapag nasa, fine dine tayo, a fine dine restaurant. But for this occasion, lalong-lalo na po parating na ang Father's Day, why not have a fine dining from our home and order these from The Fine Grill? Enjoy an intimate celebration with these amazing dishes. If you're just with me guys, kanina pa ako minamadali ng mga pagkain dito. They smell really, really good. I haven't tasted them. It's gonna be a surprise. Starting on my left, meron tayong smoked beef. Just check that out guys. And then in the middle, we have the baby back ribs, smoked pork ribs. And then on my right side, meron tayong smoked beef brisket. Oh man, where do I start? So let's start with this baby back ribs. I'm just gonna get yung naka-cut na portion dito available. And then we're gonna dip it. Nanginginig pa ako doon kasi the smoke flavor is really rich, and then yung mga herbs and spices na nandito guys, I can't actually distinguish one by one pero they are just intertwined. Nagbibigay siya ng overly satisfying taste. The meat is actually tender, so if you notice, medyo, this is what I like, no? Medyo burned yung surface. That gives it an additional, crisp and smoky taste. But what's in the inside is a reddish meat. It's not that fatty, but the additional fat included in the ribs, whoa, it made it more tasty. Finger looking good. I have to move on. Next to taste guys is itong smoked beef. So we have another cut portion dito, which is really huge. It's like a giant drumstick. Guess what, guys? This is beef. This is 100% pure beef. Let's taste it. Oh man, help me define my expression. Sobrang lambot, almost falls off the bone. Check that out. Oh man, I don't know how to describe it. Pero ang dami niyang spices na parang naka-rub. Believe me, I'm not saying this just for promotion's sake. This is like a fine dine on the go. Wherever you are guys, wherever you are in Pampanga, they're gonna deliver it for free. And then enjoy a fine dining. The meat was cooked well, no? So again, you have your slightly, for me, it's a slightly burned surface, and then the next layer is pinkish red, and then the next layer is parang pale brown, and the meat is almost, pulling itself off automatically, just like that. Sobra guys, yeah. Make sure to contact them guys, make sure to call them, and believe me, you're gonna enjoy this. Your family is gonna enjoy it. Wow, napakalambot. Ang lambot, grabe. I don't even need a knife or fork to separate it. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. I hope you can also enjoy these amazing dishes. If you want so, please contact the Fine Grill and order from them these amazing dishes. As I always say, guys, make use of the quarantine period to spend it with your family. Make it more quality, included yung mga pagkain na ganito. So let us support each other, support local, sabi nga nila, and always stay safe. Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. I'm still gonna, I'm gonna share this with my family, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.